So what's up, momshies and friends? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog, we are going to hike here in Stolpen. We are finally back after almost a year. Remember the last time we were just touring the Stolpenburg or the castle. Now we are going to hike here in the countryside. Ayan, ang ganda, diba? Super chill day because it's quite sunny, around 25 degrees. So without further ado, let's get started. We begin our tour near the highway where we parked, facing this incredible countryside view of Saxony, Germany. For detailed parking info, please check the description box below. We walk towards the small hiking trail, viewing nothing but beauty. That's why I can't help to take selfies. Stolpen is a small town in Saxony. It is located about 25 kilometers east of Dresden and belongs to the district of Saxon Switzerland-Eastern Ore Mountains. The landmark and tourist attraction of Stolpen is the ruins of Stolpen Castle, located on a basalt rock which we reach within 30 minutes hike. Stolpen on top. Well, last time dyan tayo nag-roam around. The Stolpenburg, the castle on top of the basalt mountain, is one of the most culturally and historically significant buildings in Saxony. Its origins go back over 800 years, and it served as an episcopal residence and electoral palace, as a regional administrative center, and a Saxon state fortress. Today, it is a fascinating museum. The Stolpener outcrop is recognized worldwide as a type locality and has been classified as a geotope of national importance. Almost the entire castle and the many houses in the old town are made of this stone. Stolpener Burgberg consists of basalt, a fascinating rock. The dark, extremely hard, slender pillars, mostly with a 5 to 8 sided floor plan, were created when the magma cooled in the chimney of a former volcano. If you want some souvenir, Don't you worry, cause they got you covered. You can find a vending machine for your favorite image of the town or Countess Kozel. Anna Constantia was born in 1680 and died in Stolpen in 1765. She is one of the most famous mistress of King Augustus the Strong. To get the image of Countess Kozel, you will need exactly €1 and 5 cents. 5 cents is where the image will be pressed. But unfortunately, I don't have 5 cents, so I just settled for the other souvenir, which is the image of the Stolpen.
Okay, so instead of that, we're gonna have this one. Metal. Okay, insert the coin. And then, that's it. Press it. Ayun! That's our coins. Oh, ang hirap niya tanggalin. It's fine. That's the coin.
In a few meters, you will find the very famous ice manufacturer, which in every ice cream, you can invent a new, completely individual taste experience. Be your own ice cream designer and live out your creativity and experiment as much as you can. Nature on the tongue. What you taste are natural and regional products. No artificial colors or flavors. After some refreshments, we headed down to the market square. In lovingly renovated houses with their high, picturesquely staggered roofs, cafes, restaurants, and small shops invite you to linger. The Stolpen City Museum is also located on the market. It presents numerous exhibits and information on the history of Stolpen in the historic vaulted rooms of the former local court. Excursions are particularly worthwhile from here. You can find all of this and much more at the Tourist Information Center. In here, they also offer the opportunity to purchase hiking maps, books, and find selection of Stolpen souvenirs. The best way to find out what abundance of sites Stolpen has to offer is by following the historical and natural history circular route. It begins at the City Museum and leads across the market, through the streets and alleys of Stolpen to the former city wall and around the castle. The area around Stolpen offers a wealth of attractive excursion destinations that can be reached by car in less than half an hour. This includes the wooded landscape of the Elbe Sandstone Mountains in the south, with deep gorges, bizarre rock formations, majestic table mountains, and the Elbe Valley. It is indeed a hiking paradise. In the southwest, the Saxon state capital Dresden awaits with countless cultural and shopping opportunities.
Small version. Oh, ganda. Watermill. Galing.
From this playground, we just walk straight and then turn to the left, and finally, we're back where we started. If you want to follow our route, please visit my Kumut account in the description box below. If you love videos like this and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the red button and the notification bell so you'll be updated. Thank you so much for watching and bis zum nächsten Mal. Tschüss!